Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion. While Notion doesn't allow you to directly color database blocks, there's a clever workaround using toggle lists that gives you the same visual effect, making your workspace more organized and visually appealing. Start by heading to your Notion workspace where your database currently exists, or where you plan to create one. Once you're there, either create a new database or simply locate the one you want to work with on your page. This technique works with any type of database, whether it's a table, board, or list view. Next, you'll need to create a toggle list block. You can do this by clicking the plus icon that appears when you hover over a blank line, or you can simply type /toggle and press enter. This creates a collapsible section that will serve as your colored container. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on the 6 dots that appear to the left of your toggle block. This opens up the block menu with various options. From this menu, select Color to reveal all the available color options. You'll see a range of both text colors and background colors to choose from. Pick whichever background color best suits your workspace aesthetic or organizational system. With your toggle now colored, it's time to move your database inside it. Click and hold the 6 dots next to your database block, then drag it directly into the colored toggle block. Once it's nested inside, your database will appear to have a colored background since it's sitting within the colored toggle container. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can click the 6 dots on the toggle again and collapse it. This hides the database under the toggle header while keeping everything neatly organized. Whenever you need to change the color later, just repeat the process by clicking the 6 dots, selecting color, and choosing a different shade. This workaround is perfect for color coding different projects, departments, or priority levels in your Notion workspace, giving you that visual organization that makes navigation so much easier. Thanks for watching.